Roll Floor is a revolutionary product that combines two ideas into one universal wooden floor mat. First, roll floors use thermally modified wood to allow usage of our mats in high humidity areas indoors as well as outdoors. Second, wooden planks are joined by flexible rubber strips which prevent slickness on any surfaces. Roll floors can be taken anywhere stable wood flooring is needed. Create a mini deck or patio area in your yard or on your camping and RV trips. Install roll floor over grass, sand, and other uneven outdoor surfaces. When roll floor isn't needed, easily remove and roll it up for storage. Roll floors are also ideal for indoors and high humidity areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. Cut rubber grips and easily resize roll floors to any desired length. Unlike most outdoor wood products, the roll floor is an absolutely green product. You can walk on it barefoot without worrying about harmful chemicals. Support our Kickstarter campaign, pamper your feet, and enjoy any outdoors and indoor space with our roll floors.